Good morning, students. Welcome to English online class. Today class we can learn about the poster making. How to prepare a poster. So in this class we can learn about how to prepare a poster. Posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. So posters are a placards displayed in the public place announcing or advertising something. So the poster tells about the advertising something or announcing some public place. So announcing some information in that poster making. Posters are notices, advertisements and invitations. So posters are different kinds. You can see that notices will be given in there, information will be there in the poster, advertisement ad will be given there with your product, and invitation for function they will invite through the poster. So these are the poster making. So students, now you can understand. So posters are notices, advertisements and invitations all in one. So posters, in that we can see about the notices, the information will be given about the things, so in the public places. Next, advertisement, the ad will be given about the product, and invitation, it will be a function oriented invitation will be there in that poster making. So this is the way of preparing a poster making. Purpose of preparing a poster making. The purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness. So it purpose of creating a poster making is either to create a social awareness. We should create for a social awareness about issues related to current problems. So that social awareness should be have a current affairs. So we want to tell about the current problems and need or to advertise or even to extend public invitation and display notices. So if you need to advertise or even to extend the public invitations and display notices. So these are the purpose of creating a poster making. Drafting. So posters should be colorful, attractive and tempting. So how to be a poster making? Poster should be colorful, attractive and tempting. They must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the reader. So the poster making should be have a colorful, attractive and tempting, and points to remember, they must be drafted. So it should be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the reader. So we should attract the attention of the reader, excite their imagination. It should excite the imagination of each and individual people and influence their minds. So we want to take the influence, we want to use their minds by preparing a poster should be attractive. So this is the first point. Second point, poster are read from the distance. So it should be read from a distance. Do not give many details in a poster. We should not give more details in that poster. Highlight only the important issue or issues. So we should highlight only the important issue or issues. So this is the point 2 you should remember. So first point is they must be drafted carefully to attract the attention. Attract the attention of the readers, excite their imagination and influence their minds. So it should be attract the attention of the reader, excite their imaginations and influence their minds. This is the first point. Then second point, posters are read from a distance. Do not give many details in a poster. So we should not give many details in the poster. Highlight only the important issue or issues. We should highlight only the important issue or issues. So these are the 2 points while you are drafting a poster. Now, how to be a poster making? So first we can see the 3 categories. One first category is layout. So layout should be correct. visually attractive, eye-catching. So it should be visually attractive or eye-catching. Title, suggestive, catchy. So it should be have a suggestive, catchy. Use slogan, jingle or short verse. So you want to have a short verse like a proverb. This short form should be there in a poster making. Sketch or simple drawing should be there in the poster making. Letters or different size and shapes. So the letters should be have a different size and also the shapes should be attract the peoples. So proportionate spacing, etc. So proportionate spacing should be there, equally spacing should be there, etc. So first we want to remind that before preparing a poster we want to know about the layout. So layout should be visually attractive. It should be eye catching. So eye catching, it should be attractive to eye. Title suggestive or catchy. So title should be attractive. Use slogan or jingle or short verse. The short verse proverb, like it's like a proverb. It's a short word should be there. Sketch or simple drawing should be there in the poster making. Letter of different size and shape. So letters should be have a different size and shape. Proportionate spacing, etc. It should be have a proportionate spacing to the individual words. So it should be attract the people. Then next, content. So content should be there in the poster making. The theme or subject of the poster. So content in that theme or subject of the poster. Description or detail associated with the theme. So description or details associated with theme. So it should be related to the theme. Essential details like time, date, venue. So we need information of essential details like time, date, venue, where the place we are taking for an event. Then names of issuing, authority or organization, etc. So we want to give the particular name of issuing or authority or organization which was conducting the meeting, function or whatever. I told that function or advertisement or whatever. So poster making, so current affairs. So these are the three things. So it should be have a names of issuing or authority or organization, etc. So the theme or subject of the poster should be there in the content. Descriptions or details associated with the theme. Essential details like time, date, venue for an event. Then names of issuing authority, organization, etc. These are the important content should be there in the poster making. Next, expression. So it should be expression. What is the expression? You can see here: praises, slogans, persuasive languages. So praises, slogans and persuasive languages will be expression the views of the people. It should be there in the poster making. Creativity in terms of content and design. So there should be a very different creativity, not in a same uniform creativity. It should be a very different creativity of content and also the design. Overall organization and sequencing of the matter. So overall organization and sequencing of the matter should be no. So this should be there in the expression of the poster making. So there are the three types. First one is layout, second one is content, third one is expression. These are the main things to prepare a poster making. Now students, you can understand how to prepare a poster making by using these three things, that is layout, then content, then expression. These are the three things should know to prepare. So we can see some example here. First example: design a poster of your school fete. You may use slogans: do not exceed 50 words. So this is the question will be asked in your examination. So how to prepare the poster making for this fete, you can see here. So fete St. John organized by, so it was fete and organized by St. John School Chennai in aid of flood victims. So it is aid of flood victim. Sunday the 2nd March 2000 something, XX means 2010 or 2020, you can use 25. So these are the example. This is a pattern. So 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. school campus, a daily of fun or frolic. So here fancy dress, snack stalls, gymnastics, shooting, merry-go-rounds, electronics games, lucky draw. So come one, come all. Entry by tickets. Help a noble cause. So this is about the one. It is like an exhibition. So it will be all the exhibition. You can see that it's a exhibition competition. You can see here in our school campus. So it is in St. John School, Chennai, in the aid of flood victims. So it is exhibition for what? Getting amount for the what? Flood victims. So fancy dress. So this tickets. You can see that about the fancy dress, snack stalls, gymnastics, shootings, merry-go-rounds, electronic games, lucky draw. So come one, come all. Entry by the tickets. Help a noble cause. So this is for help a noble cause. So this is one of the example. Then example 2. Design a poster is not more than 50 words of your school library on the value of books and good reading habits. You may use slogans. So here you can see that to prepare the poster. So you want to draw a line. Books, our best friends. Here they given the catchy. So you can see they used like a bullet color. So font is different font is used. Books, and you can see diamond is used for that. Inform, instruct, delight, enrich, and take a book a day. Don't delay. So it is like a proverb. Okay, slogan is used there. Then here given the information advising you to read the books. Your school library has 10,000 books. When you are gloomy or lonely, your best friend is a book. So don't judge a book by its cover. Read it. So you should read this book. It is so in this poster you can see that they are advising to read the books. Number of books are in our library. Use that books and read. It should be a regular habit. So make reading a regular habit. Read best, speak best, think best. So this is about the poster making. You can understand how to prepare a poster making. So next class we can learn about the some other topics. Thank you, students.